Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Accountitude. Here I am continuing with the topic of issue of shares that we did other than cash. Coming along, issue of debentures for the amount received other than cash, right? So here we will be talking about that company is issuing the debentures but the cash is not received. This is the similar case where the debentures must be issued for the purchase of the asset or the took over of the business. So here is one case in front of you. X Limited purchased assets of rupees 8,40,000 and took over the liabilities of rupees 80,000 of White Limited at an agreed value of 7,20,000. So in this case, the assets are 8,40,000, liability 80,000. You know, assets carry debit balance, so they would be debited. Liabilities would be credited. Agreed value means purchase consideration is of 7,20,000. How much amount is payable to the White Limited is 7,20,000. For that, the company issued 10% debentures of face value 100 each for the following three cases. First case, they want to issue at par, then at discount, then at premium. So carry along this question. First of all, the first entry which would be common to each case, these all three cases, first entry would be common where X Limited have purchased the asset. So the journal is to be passed in the books of the X Limited. In the books of X Limited journal, first journal would be assets account debit for 8,40,000 rupees to liabilities for 80,000 rupees that was given in the question to White Limited, that is 7,20,000 rupees. 7,20,000 rupees stood for what amount? That is the purchase consideration that was given in the question to us, that X Limited took over assets of 8,40,000 for a liability 80 with an agreed value. Agreed value stands for purchase consideration. So how much amount is payable to White Limited? That is 7,20,000. Now make a calculation over here. Here it is 8,40,000 and here it is totaling with rupees 8 lakh only. So debit is not is equals to credit. On the debit we have 8,40,000, on the credit we have 8 lakh rupees. So the difference would go to your capital reserve account. Which account is to be credited here? Capital reserve account, which is a balancing figure over here with rupees 40,000. So in the last video we discussed where assets value was less to the liabilities and purchase consideration. So the difference was transferred on the debit side with the name goodwill. Here the difference is on the credit side. So which word is used here? Capital reserve account for the difference, right? Now we have to pass. This was the common entry for all these three cases. Now we have to consider each case separately for at par, at discount, at premium. So first of all we are doing the case for issue of debentures at par. For this case, White Limited is fixed with 7,20,000. So White Limited is the receiver here. It should be debited to what we are giving them. What's going out? That is the debentures. What was the name of debentures? 10% debentures. So the debentures would be given a credit with rupees 7,20,000, same amount. Why same account? Because the debentures were issued at par. So there is no change in the value over here. Now I have told you how to calculate the number of shares or the number of debentures. The formula goes purchase consideration divided by is issue price. Here in the first case, the shares were issued at par. At par means issue price would be the face value. So purchase consideration was 7,20,000 divided by 100 issue price. How many number of debentures were issued? 7,200 number of debentures were issued in the first case. So this is the first case where debentures were issued at par. Now carry along the case where the debentures were issued at discount. Now, dear, what you have to do, you have to remember that your vendor will go with the amount, with the fixed amount of purchase consideration. In the first entry, we credited White Limited with 7,20,000. So White Limited would be debited only with 7,20,000. Now the question is this, that in this case we issued the debentures at discount. Discount means we will receive less amount. So that is a loss, right? So losses are to be debited. Okay, so losses are to be debited as per nominal account. All the losses and expenses are to be debited. So discount on issue of debentures account is to be debited to 10% debentures account, because what we are giving them, debenture which was of rupees 100, we issued at 10% discount. 100's 10% is 10, right? So 100 is on credit, 10 is on debit. How much should be given for the White Limited here? That is 90. How much is to be debited for White Limited here? That is 90. So this issue, this your purchase consideration should be divided by 90. So what the formula goes? Purchase consideration divided by issue price. Issue price here was discount. Discount means less. Discount means less. So 100 minus 10, we got a value here 90. 7,20,000 divided by 90. How many number of debentures were issued? 8,000. So now 8,000 into 100, we got a value of rupees 8 lakh. 8,000 into 10, we got a value of 80,000. So our debit total is equals to our credit total for the second case. Now, for the third case, if the debentures were issued at 20% premium. Now the third case is at premium. Premium is a gain. Gains are to be credited as per nominal account. So what is fixed here? White Limited should be debited. It is fixed. It should be debited with your amount of purchase consideration, right? To 10% debenture, face value was 100. To securities premium, what was the premium? 20%. 100's 20% is 20, right? So what is the total amount to be credited here is 120, right? So 100 plus 20, White Limited here got a value with 120, right? 100 plus 20, right? So what is the issue price? 120. What is the purchase consideration? 7,20,000. So 7,20,000 divided by 120. How many number of debentures were issued? 6,000. Now 6,000 into 100, the number amount received against debentures is 6 lakh, and 6,000 into 20, what is the amount of security premium? That is 1,20,000. So this is the simplest version how to consider your debentures issue other than cash for the purchase of asset. Always keep in one thing in your mind, that is for the second case, second journal. That is for the second journal, always your vendor would be debited with the purchase consideration amount. White Limited on all the three cases have been debited with the purchase consideration amount. The difference goes along that how much have been on the credit with the less on the debit. In the first case it was 100, in the second case it was 100 minus 10, 90. In the third case it was 100 plus 20. So issue price changed, so your number of debentures also changed. Thank you. Keep scoring. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.